Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to edit WordPress header. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and head on over to wordpress.com. Once you are now here, select My Site in the left corner. Then on the left corner, scroll down, then look for Appearance. Under Appearance, select Themes and then select Editor. You will now be redirected to another part of the website. In here, select any template, then select Edit on the specific template you want to edit. Once you are now here, you should now be redirected to the website you want to edit, or you should be in wordpress.com/site-editor. Once you are now here, you should be able to edit your site, starting with the header. And that's it. Go ahead, take your time and typing and editing your WordPress header over at your browser. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.